personal coaching from professors and a quick train ride to all the arts in New York City, that's what makes Adelphi a perfect college for arts and humanities. Let's meet Isuri. She came here from the other side of the world to earn her BA and is now at Yale School of Drama. Let's head to the beautiful Performing Arts Center. Isuri, it's your time to roll. Let's go.
Thanks for the intro, Alex. Hey, y'all. Hope you're having a great day today. I'm Isuri. I'm from Sri Lanka, and I am an Adelphi alumna from the class of 2018. Adelphi really helped me get involved right from the start of my move from Sri Lanka to New York. This place and the people helped me form meaningful relationships and have amazing memories, so I didn't really have to miss home so much. I had great mentors in the theater department who got to know me for who I am and not just as a student, so the theater department really felt a lot like family to me. Speaking of family, my home at Adelphi, which is the Performing Arts Center that we like to call PAC, has numerous rehearsal and performance venues, so I had access to actors, musicians, and dancers. And the visual arts students would have exhibitions outside of our studios, so I really felt like I was immersed in the arts at all times. We also got to watch performances by outside artists, and I found myself going to the city almost every weekend to watch off-Broadway performances, and that is a testament to how close we are to the central hub of performing arts, which is New York City. After I graduated in 2018, I moved to the city and I worked as a professional actor and at a nonprofit that I was introduced to as a Jagger Community Fellows intern, which is a program that's unique to Adelphi. I then decided to continue my training as an actor, and I'm currently at the School of Drama at Yale pursuing my master's in acting. I've learned that curiosity gets you far, and the right community can aid you in your dreams. And that is what Adelphi did for me. Back to you, Alex.
Thank you so much for sharing your story, Isuri. It's great to hear how amazing professors, fellow artists, and trips to New York City helped you learn your craft. The arts and the humanities like anthropology, languages, political science, all come alive at Adelphi. Isuri, we look forward to seeing you at the Tonys real soon. Take care.